尽管他也认为人工智能技术前景光明。达里奥的观点是，人们往往混淆了技术的成功与投资的成功。确实，人工智能是一项重大的新技术，肯定会改变世界并取得成功，但这并不意味着对这些公司的投资一定会成功。达里奥甚至将当前的市场周期比作上世纪90年代末互联网泡沫破裂前的情形。他注意到市场呈现出双重经济的特征，一边是因为某些领域疲软而降息，另一边则是泡沫在别处形成。他特别指出，80%的市场涨幅集中在大型科技股中，这是一个非常集中的环境。除了与人工智能相关的股票之外，整体市场的表现相对较差。虽然他认为整体市场目前还没有处于极端泡沫状态，但某些新兴科技公司确实已经处在明显的极端泡沫中。他警告说，一旦泡沫开始破裂，历史表明它们往往会过度修正到下行方向，而不是稳定在更正常的价格水平。
There's a lot of bubble stuff going on. I have a bubble indicator, which is a composite of things that would take you too long to explain. And the bubble indicator is relatively high. It has to do not only with the pricing, it has to do with who owns it, how the financing is taking place, and so on. Bubbles don't pop really until they are popped by tightness of monetary policy and so on. We're going to be more likely to ease rates than to tighten rates. And so you have this two-part economy. The easing of the rates is because most of the economy elements are weakening. If you're looking at a lot of the economy, you see a weakening in that economy. At the same time as there's this bubble going on developing. So a monetary policy for both is not going to work because of that element of divergence. So I think it's probably going to produce more of a bubble. I would think it's probably, something like maybe 98, 99, 1927, 28, and so on.
But before the crash.
Yeah, you start a unicorn. So what happens is maybe, for example, you raise $100 million, but you value it at $1 billion. Now I'm a billionaire, and it's worth $1 billion. But yet actually nobody ever paid $1 billion for it and so on. And then that becomes its own money. So this dynamic is interesting. Then there are things, of course, about AI which are interesting, in terms of how the length of time that GPUs last, and then data centers, and what the new GPUs are going to be compared with the others, and how quickly they're worthless. And when that bubble is going to burst, maybe we don't know exactly. But what we can say is there's a lot of risk